if we do not take action in the right time, so this will trip the system, and this is the loss of production. What is the consequence if this is blockage?
Loss of production.
So now here
I stop divert the oil to the second separator and they lose the production from my train.
Yeah, there is two consequences. First consequence is there is potential oil will go in the second stage. I mean, in the gas stripper, right? S2S gas stripper. Or it is going. SP header. It is going SP header.
Well, I think the immediate will be high and it will trip. That's the immediate thing.
So okay, that means you want operator to take action before it gets tripped, right?
Yeah, but then again, we only have less than 5 minutes here.
Yeah, true. No problem. So that means if operator does not take action, it will trip. System will trip. Leading to
loss of production.
Loss of production. Okay. So corrective action. What you want operator to do? The moment you get LAH in the separator, you need to instruct your operator to do some investigation, and the time is 0 to 5 minutes. So he will check and investigate as per the system, high level in the first separator.
Yes.
And take suitable action. To prevent trip. To prevent trip.
Prevent trip.
So you have 0 to 5 minutes, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Correct, right? This is less than 5.
Yes.
This is
okay. That means the residual time available to fill this tank is not more than 5 minutes, right?
Yeah.
So this is what? This is a process alarm, right? This process alarm.
Yes.
Okay. If operator doesn't take, the consequence will be the loss of production. So we'll go in
same.
Yeah, B only. I just want to go because so here loss of production we have considered B. So we are considering the same thing. And what is the severity? Severity is, I think, loss of production we have considered notable, right? Sorry.
No, I think medium, right?
Medium. Okay, so we can go for B. Okay, no problem. Medium is